NA-249 is a constituency for the National Assembly of Pakistan that encompasses Baldia. General elections were held on 10 October 2002. Muhammad Liak Khan of Muttahida Majlis-e-Amal won by 26,812 votes. General elections were held on 18 February 2008. Said A. Iqbal Qadri of Muttahida Qawmi Movement won by 93,617 votes. General elections were held on 11 May 2013. Said A. Iqbal Qadri of Muttahida Qawmi Movement won by 95,584 votes and became the member of National Assembly. General elections were held on 25 July 2018. By-elections 2021 was held in NA-249 Karachi on 29 April 2021. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.